Wemwega. Welcome back to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. Today, I will teach you how to compliment people. I know you've probably wondered, how do I tell Wanjiru that she teaches well? And here is how. Ne uthomithagia wega. Ne uthomithagia wega. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And again, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. The first one is you are beautiful. Someone asked me this question in one of my YouTube videos, and today I will teach you how to say it. For a woman, you would tell her, we muthaka muno. You are very beautiful. We muthaka muno. For men, we don't tell men they are beautiful or they are handsome. But if you want to talk about a handsome man, we say ne mwanake murungaru. Ne mwanake murungaru. So I guess if you wanted to tell a man he's handsome, you'll tell them wewe murungaru. Okay. So we muthaka for women, we murungaru for men. But I think you can also tell a man that we muthaka. Not sure, but I guess you can. Because who doesn't want to be told they are beautiful? No one. The second one, anything to do with good in Kikuyu language has ega in it. That's why even in our greetings we ask, are you good? We mwega. If you were to tell someone you are an awesome friend, it will be we murata mwega. We murata mwega. Or you're a good person, we mudo mwega. We mudo mwega, or we mwega. And when you want to tell someone you're a very important person, we actually use you're a very important person. We mudo wafata muno. We mudo wafata. You are a very important person. Or the slang for this one is we modo wa nguvu. We have you smell really good. That we will say uranuga wega. Uranuga wega. You smell really good. You can go ahead and ask them, which perfume are you using? Urahodera marashi mariku. Urahodera maguta mariku. Or uhoderaga maguta mariku. So I can come and say, Jerry, uranuga wega. Kayuhoderaga maguta mariku. The next one is your hair looks good. Or in other words, we say you're plaited well. So we'll say, njuere yaku ihana wega. Okedetwo wega. So njuere yaku ihana wega. Your hair looks good. Okedetwo wega. You're plaited well. And you can also go ahead and ask, who did your hair? No uragukedire. Njuere yaku ihana wega. No uragukedire. And sometimes we exaggerate and say, njuere yaku ihana wega ma. No uragukedire. When we want to insist that what I'm saying is true, we say ma. Ma is true. So njuere yaku ihana wega ma. No uragukedire. We can also talk about a laugh or a smile. Like I can say, you laugh really well. So you laugh really well. I can say, udhekaga wega. Udhekaga wega. And a smile, we really don't use this word. So we usually say, wenagesimairo kiega. Wenagesimairo kiega. That means you have a very beautiful smile. Gesimairo kiega. The next one is, it was really nice of you to help me. Here I will say, niweka wega muno nikudeithia. Niweka wega muno nikudeithia. Or I can say, thank you for helping me. Niwega muno niundu wa kudeithia. Or thank you niundu wa kudeithia. Niwega niundu wa kudeithia. Next we have you make me happy or you make me laugh. I'll say ne ogenagia mono. Ne ogenagia muno. For example, you make me happy for watching my videos. Nĩ ũngenagia mũno nĩ kwĩrorera thenema ciakwa. Nĩ ũngenagia mũno nĩ kwĩrorera thenema ciakwa. I really admire how hardworking you are. I will say, nĩ ngenagĩra wĩrutĩri waku. Nĩ ngenagĩra wĩrutĩri waku. You can also say nĩ ũngenagia nĩ kwĩrutĩra. Nĩ ũngenagia nĩ kwĩrutĩra. O nĩ kwĩrutĩra gwaku. You have done a great job is nĩ waruta wĩra mwega. Nĩ waruta wĩra mwega. You always do a great job. I'll say nĩ ũrutaga wĩra mwega. Nĩ ũrutaga wĩra mwega. Okay? You are so wise. I'll say we wĩ mũndũ mũũgĩ. We wĩ mũndũ mũũgĩ. Or we wĩ mũũgĩ. Wĩ mũũgĩ meaning you're wise. You are talented or gifted is nĩ ũrĩ kĩheo. Nĩ ũrĩ kĩheo. You are blessed is wĩ mũrathime. Wĩ mũrathime. We wĩ mũrathime. You are an incredible leader. Now again, incredible will also be wega. So we say wĩ mũtongoria mwega. We wĩ mũtongoria mwega. Or we wĩ mũtongoria wa nguvu. Like I trust you is nĩ ngwĩtĩkĩtie. Nĩ ngwĩtĩkĩtie. You are a fantastic cook. We wĩ mũrugi mwega. We wĩ mũrugi mwega. And here comes another word that we use. Njorua. We wĩ mũrugi njorua. We wĩ mũrugi njorua. You have a lovely voice. Wĩna mũgambo mũthaka. Or wĩ mũgambo mũthaka mũno. Wĩ mũgambo mũthaka mũno. Or wĩ mũgambo mwega mũno. You know, when we say like your voice soothes my heart. Mũgambo waku nĩ ũthuthĩraga ngoro yakwa. Mũgambo waku nĩ ũthuthĩraga ngoro yakwa. You have a beautiful home. We will say wĩna mũciĩ mũthaka. Wĩna mũciĩ mũthaka. Or wĩna mũciĩ mũthaka ma. Wĩna mũciĩ mũthaka ma. So in this case, someone may respond like, thank you for saying that. Or I'm happy to hear that. So thank you for saying that will be nĩ ngatho nĩ kuga ũguo. Nĩ ngatho nĩ kuga ũguo. Or nĩ wega nĩ kuga ũguo. Or I'm happy to hear that. Nĩ ndakena nĩ kũigua ũguo. Nĩ ndakena nĩ kũigua ũguo. You know, now this response can be when you tell someone, I'm doing okay now, or someone else is doing okay. So you can always respond with nĩ ndakena nĩ kũigua ũguo. This dish is delicious, or this food is delicious. So here we can mix with you're a fantastic chef. So we'll say irio ici ciĩna cama. Can you exaggerate that? Irio ici ciĩna cama ma. Irio ici ciĩna cama. Wĩ mũrugi njorua. Irio ici ciĩna cama ma. Wĩ mũrugi njorua. You have a beautiful baby. Wĩna mwana mũthaka. Wĩna mwana mũthaka. Or your baby is beautiful. Mwana waku nĩ mũthaka. Mwana waku nĩ muthaka. And those are the only sentences that I prepared for you today. If you have any more that you'd like to know how to say them, please put them in the comment section, or you can send them to my email address, which is in the description box or here. And we modo afata. Tonane hede again.